Yeah, hi guys. I recently bought that Elite Series 2 controller. I own it for a few months already, and I found out the problem recently that my vibration feels kind of weird, and it's different in the left part, in my left and right hand. So if we head over to the settings and decide to vibrate this controller, you can hear that annoying plasticky sound. And if we head over to configure in order to vibrate each part of the controller individually, vibration, here's the left trigger, sorry, that's the left one, and that's the right one. So it's pretty fucking loud, it's annoying, and I don't think it's actually supposed to be like that. And if we at the same time vibrate the main vibrations, the left one is great, that's awesome, it feels great, it has a good range to it, and it's slow and it feels good. The right one, it's also quiet, and I'm not sure if we can tell the difference in video, but it simply vibrates much faster and it doesn't have that good range to it. And yeah, so they feel completely different, the left main vibration and the right main vibration, but they don't have that annoying sound, at least. And at the same time, if we take my default Xbox controller that came in with the Series X, and we head over to settings in order to vibrate this controller, that sounds totally okay. It's still kind of loud because Xbox controllers are kind of loud, but it does not have that annoying rumbling sound. So please advise if it's supposed to be like that, because that's definitely not what I would expect from a $200 controller. And what should I do in order to fix this issue? Thank you.